Did you know that certain colors can actually calm your mind? Today, I'm taking you to a world where the sky is always pink, and the moon glows just for you. Watch how this simple sketch transforms into a magical masterpiece. I promise, the final result is even more beautiful than you can imagine. Gently blending these colors is my favorite part. It's like watching a dream slowly come to life. Make sure to blend softly for that perfect, dreamy sky. As I paint this glowing moon and these tiny stars, think of each little sparkle as a tiny wish sent just for you. Art is more than just colors. It's a feeling. Now, let's add these soft pink clouds. I want you to take a deep breath and just let go of all your stress while you watch the sky come to life. I poured my heart into this artwork, but it feels like many of you leave without watching the full journey. Why is that? Now, for the final touch, or little silent friend. If this pink sky and the little cat touched your heart, please watch until the end and subscribe to support my work. Your one subscription means the world to me. Thank you so much for being here.